South Africa is not now in the good news of the world. Why? There is what is called xenophobia. This is a concept where the indigenous citizens feel threatened by foreigners who come to this country. They feel that their jobs have been taken by the outsiders. They feel their women have been seduced and taken by the foreigners. There is a general hatred against foreigners now in South Africa. Demonstrations for the last 2 months have been going from house to house looking for non-South Africans to vacate, to be chased from their country. Very many people's properties have been looted. Very many people have been killed in South Africa. The reason is that they are not wanted in South Africa. The umbrella, the rainbow country, has now become a dangerous place for non-South Africans. Everywhere you are walking in South Africa, the clips are showing you are asked, bring your national identification card or bring your passport. If you are not a South African, then you are beaten, you are mugged, you are stolen, your business is taken, your cars are burned, your cars are repossessed by South Africans. Leaders of South Africa, they have a duty to protect the citizens of other countries who are in South Africa. They have a duty to protect the properties of non-South Africans, the way the Kenyan government is protecting the properties of South Africans in this country. What is happening in South Africa equally has taken root in Cambodia. The government of Cambodia yesterday issued a notice in their gazette that any foreigner who is in Cambodia must vacate, and those are Africans, must vacate, and especially Kenyans. I remember I went to court and filed a case for the Kenyans for the Kenyan government to repatriate the Kenyans who are in Cambodia. To date, the case is in court. The government has not responded to our matter. This is now intolerance. If every country is going to expel people of other citizens, if each country is going to chase students, in South Africa, in Cambodia, and in very many countries, we have Kenyans who are students in those countries. We have Kenyans who have gone for treatment in those countries. We have Kenyans who have been married in those countries. We have Kenyans doing legitimate business in those countries. What is going to happen if other countries also take that route and expel South Africans from Kenya? If they are expelled from other countries, what will be the effect of globalization? The world has become global. Nowadays, countries have removed visa requirements to go to other countries. The Pan-African concept that Mandela stood for, that Jomo Kenyatta stood for, that Oliver Tambo stood for, that Nelson Mandela stood for, there was a brother and a sister connection between African countries. If Kenneth Kaunda of Zambia wakes up and sees what is happening, those are the leaders. If Nyerere of Tanzania wakes up and sees what is happening in South Africa, they will not want to continue staying. They'll go back to their grave. This, we give the South African a big zero. Only one voice, Julius Malema, has condemned what is going on in South Africa. Julius Malema has apologized to the whole world that what is happening in South Africa is unacceptable. The African Union, if Baba won that seat and Baba was alive, he could have raised this issue. Baba Raila Amolo Odinga was a nationalist. From Court Helicopter, we condemn anybody who is practicing xenophobia. That is an archaic, old, barbaric, traditional approach in not having tolerance to each other. Wakili Danstan Omari telling it as it is.